Tire's flat, isn't it? We're finally going on our first camping trip of the season. It should take us about 6 hours to get to where we're going, but depending on how many times we have to stop, could take anywhere from 8 to 12 hours if I'm being completely honest. So y'all want to join us for a little travel day? We all ready? Captain, am I clear to close the cabin door?
All's clear.
Oh, yeah, this is why I was never flight attendant. There we go. I think it's closed. Do you want to check it? We got toys here for the kids. You want your Tony? Yeah, we're not even out of the driveway yet, and we already want Disney. Hey, Rachel, water? Okay. I got a bunch of these books. Gray loves these. They're called Indestructibles. Basically, you can try and rip them, bite them. They don't budge. The captain just told me to take my seat. I'm sitting in 1A. Are you sitting in 1B? Hello, 1B. We've been in Connecticut for literally like 2 minutes, and Carl already said that we needed to pull over because he just wanted to check the RV. Ready, Captain. An hour from home, and we have a flat tire. Dex needed to rehydrate while we wait. Well, while we wait, who wants a snack? No, no pouch. We already had pouch. What about a muffin? Muffin! Is this so good? We're doing some Tonys to pass the time. Cinderella had a bad day yesterday, okay? While we wait, I might as well put on a little bit of makeup. I got a few messages the other day because I had mentioned something about makeup, and people were saying, you wear makeup? And I was like, well, yeah, makeups. I was like, that's kind of the point. And honestly, I took that as a compliment because when I do wear makeup, I like it to look like I'm not wearing makeup. This isn't your makeup. This is mommy's makeup. Your makeup is different than mine, remember? I started a new show. I guess it just came out. I was scrolling and I came across it, and I purposely didn't tell any of y'all that I was watching it because I didn't want to risk any spoilers. The show I'm talking about is We Were Liars. I guess there's a book. I did not read the book. I went in completely not knowing what was what. I'm about to finish episode... Where did my brush go? Where did my brush go? I'm on episode 7 out of 8, and I think I'm starting to put together a couple of the pieces, but I also could be completely wrong. Man, I hope they refund our tickets for this flight, dude. I got this for the kids. It's the perfect time to bring it out for them. They haven't seen it yet. Look how cute this is. It's a Mickey waffle maker. Look how cute. Wow, Mickey Kitchen. You ready, Captain?
Finally.
We're out of here, fingers crossed. Let's go. Currently 3:30. I think we're in New York. I could be wrong, but we're at McDonald's. I'm gonna run inside and get food for everyone real quick. If we, passed by a coffee place, I wouldn't be opposed to stopping. Yeah, just thought I would throw that one out there. Yeah. We made it. The kids are exhausted. Mom and Dad are exhausted. Dexter's exhausted. We're gonna go ahead and get settled. I was gonna cook dinner tonight, but forget about that. Yeah. Oh, you're cooking? Yeah, forget about that. We're definitely ordering a pizza or something. I probably am gonna have to find a Walmart or a Target tonight. So stay tuned. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.